Okay, today I will be reviewing a 2006 325i. It has an N52 engine, 2.5 liter, good for about 215 horsepower. It doesn't have a spare tire. It has run flats all around. It is pretty much fully loaded, as most BMWs, and it has fold down rear seats. It has headlight washers up front and folding mirrors. When you're driving, if the mirrors are left folded, they will automatically fold out at around 30 miles an hour or less. It has premium sound. The stereo is really good. It just has a CD player. No CD player in the back. It just has that one in the front. This is a 6-speed, and it runs pretty good. Averages around, it's advertised about 6.1 seconds, 0 to 60, up to around 7 seconds, the low, 7.1. But I think in stick shift version, you can easily attain in that 6 to 7 second range. It has a sunroof. This particular one has tinted windows. And it weighs around 3,300 pounds. Okay, let's take a closer look at the trunk area. Pretty spacious trunk. Like I said earlier, the seats do fold down. It has the release right in here on the side. You could easily use it to carry home a fairly big flat screen. It doesn't have a spare tire. What it does have is a compartment underneath here where you can have an emergency kit, and I believe there's a tow hook here somewhere. The owner's manual sits back here, along with a first aid kit, and you have some tools. You got your screwdriver and some wrenches and a tow hook. On this side, there's the big old amp for the sound system, for the stereo system, which is pretty good. Get your standard trunk release here. And this one has an aftermarket rear view camera that was installed. So you got that here. You got your two little tailpipes there. It has a sunshade in the back. Back here and on the two doors. Okay, let's take a closer look at the engine bay here. Got your gas struts, which is really nice. I like that instead of a bar that comes up and holds up the hood. You've got your air cleaner here, and like I said, this is a 2.5 6-cylinder, 2.5 liter. Fill up your oil in here, and they recommend only using castor oil. On this side you have your windshield washer fluid. And this is for the expansion tank for the radiator. You've got your headlight washers down here. This comes up, and it's well insulated. Insulation here. So, interestingly enough, this is an E90, and a lot of these BMWs starting in 2006 do not have an oil dipstick, so you can check your oil. That's done electronically from inside the cabin. Okay, let's take a closer look at the interior. The interior in this particular model has a leather Dakota / beige upholstery, and the paint on the car is a sparkling graphic metallic. So that's the name of this paint job. It is an E90, and it was, like I said earlier, manufactured in July 20th in 2005 and sold as a 2006. This particular model has 178,000 miles, and no major repairs other than your normal brake job. It did have a starter that they need to be replaced at 165,000 miles. Other than that, it's your normal maintenance. It's been a pretty reliable car, from what I understand from the owner. Okay, let's take a closer look at this interior. It has started up here. Starts right up. Has your normal controls on the doors. You can lock the back doors from opening here, and your 4 window controls and your folding mirror control. Speakers on the doors, your stock here that controls your turn signal and your diagnostic, showing you the different your current miles per gallon, which this one is showing 25.2 average, your average speed, temperature, time, odometer, and trip odometer. This one comes with a pretty good stereo system. It has an audio in cable connection that you can use to connect your phone, and it sounds actually pretty good. You can control the different input of the selection of FM or AM or CD or auxiliary here. This also comes equipped with, you can connect your phone. These are your cup holders here, 2 of them. You've got your home link here for 3 different garage doors. Your sunroof. Okay, let's take this for a short drive here. Let's do the mirrors here. So we got the mirrors folded in. Let's try again. So let's take this for a short drive. Mirrors are folded in, and let's see them fold out. There they go. Yeah, they folded out at about 30 miles an hour. Acceleration is pretty brisk. Certainly no slouch for a car that weighs around 3,300 pounds. And like I said, 215 horsepower. It can tow right around 3,500 pounds actually. At least that's what's advertised. Don't want to go there. 70 miles an hour in that little stretch there, so it does have a pretty good pull. And now it's at about 45 miles an hour, and it's running at around 1500 RPM. Pretty smooth. Although this is a very smooth road, it was recently repaved, so. With BMWs, well, this E90, when you're changing lanes on the freeway, you flick the turn signal and it only blinks like 3 times, and then it automatically cancels, so it doesn't stay on unless you put a little bit more force in the turn signal stock. Pretty quiet. It's well insulated. It has 2 speakers here in the front, and it has a tweeter here in the door right behind the side view mirrors on the inside, and it has a center speaker here and speakers in the back doors and the rear deck. This concludes my review and test drive of this 2006 325i. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.